Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here. Today, we're embarking on a true zero-to-hero journey into the world of automation. We are diving into the ultimate n8n Masterclass, building powerful AI automations. So if you've ever felt completely bogged down by those repetitive, soul-crushing digital chores, well, you're in the right place, because we're going to completely transform how you work. Let's just dive right in.
First off, I want you to ask yourself a question. What if your workflows could actually think for themselves? Seriously, imagine a world where the manual, repetitive tasks that just eat up your day are seamlessly handled by intelligent systems running quietly in the background. We're not just talking about saving a few mouse clicks here. This is about unlocking a literal digital superpower. It frees your mind up for the high-level, creative work you actually want to be doing.
So, here's our roadmap for this digital construction project. First, we'll set up the foundation. Second, we'll build the engine of automation. Third, we'll connect your favorite apps. Fourth, we'll unleash AI agents. And finally, we'll bulletproof your workflows.
All right, let's start with phase one, setting up the foundation. This first step, it's like pouring the concrete foundation for a massive digital factory. It's quick, but absolutely critical. The sequence is simple. You download n8n, you run the installation, and you launch your workspace. Boom. That's your stable environment where all the magic is going to happen.
Now, everything in n8n is built on what we call nodes. Honestly, the best way to think about nodes is to picture them exactly like Lego bricks, but for processing and manipulating JSON data behind the scenes. They are the fundamental building blocks of your entire workflow, and each one performs a very specific task or action. You basically take an assortment of these simple little nodes and snap them together to build a remarkably complex, automated system.
And that magic really happens when those bricks snap together. You just select a trigger node to kick things off, add an action node to define what happens next, and connect them. Visually, it looks exactly like an assembly line. When an event triggers that first node, it passes data payloads right down the line. The system just continuously maps that data from one action to the next, entirely on autopilot.
Moving right along to phase two, the engine of automation.
Think of webhooks as the essential mail carriers for your n8n workflows. Instead of constantly checking or pulling for data, the very second an event happens out there, like say a new purchase or a lead form getting filled out, the webhook node catches that real-time payload, it delivers the message, and triggers your sequence instantly. There's no waiting around, no refreshing the page, just instant action.
Next up, we have loops. These are basically your tireless factory workers. When you're dealing with massive arrays of data coming in from those webhooks, n8n's loop nodes let you process that data in batches. A loop will iterate through thousands of rows sequentially until a specific condition is met. It just chews through massive datasets, doing the grueling, repetitive tasks over and over, so you literally never have to do them manually again.
Now, what happens when a native node doesn't exist for a specific tool you use? That's where APIs come in as your universal translators. By utilizing n8n's HTTP request node, your workflow can reach out and authenticate with virtually any piece of software on the internet. It acts as a universal bridge, and honestly, it is an absolute game changer for connectivity.
All right, phase three, connecting your favorite apps. Because let's face it, we all know the universal nightmare of chaotic spreadsheets and unread inboxes.
Here, we're bridging the gap between the tools you use every single day. n8n sits precisely in the middle, acting as the ultimate orchestrator. It'll read a trigger from one app, like Gmail for instance, map that data quietly in the background, and then dictate the resulting action over in Google Sheets or Slack. It orchestrates a completely seamless flow of data across your entire tech stack.
Let's walk through a practical scenario to see how this plays out. Say you receive a new email in Gmail. That's step one. Step two, the workflow automatically extracts the key data from that email and drops it neatly into a Google Sheet. Step three, it instantly pings a summary notification to your team over in Slack. By just combining those three specific apps using the n8n nodes we talked about earlier, you completely eliminate hours of daily, mind-numbing manual data entry.
Okay, let's slow down for a second because we are hitting phase four, unleashing AI agents. This is massive.
This is where we get that massive aha moment. Standard automation is highly efficient, sure, but it's rigid. It's strictly if X, then Y. AI agent automation, on the other hand, introduces dynamic intelligent logic. By plugging LLMs, like the ones connected through n8 slang chain integrations, into your workflow, this system doesn't just blindly follow a rigid path anymore. It actually evaluates context.
It adapts to complex, unexpected situations, and it figures out the absolute best way to achieve the goal you've set. You are literally turning your workflow into a thinking assistant. With AI agents, you aren't just moving data from point A to point B, you are creating a digital employee. Imagine an agent that can read an angry customer email, decide on the appropriate, empathetic response, categorize the severity of the issue, and then route it to the correct human manager. And it does all of this without you lifting a finger. That is the true power of what we're building today. Finally, Phase 5, bulletproofing your workflows. It's time to put our hard hats on and make sure everything we've built is completely safe and stable.
The golden rule here is incredibly simple. Great automations don't break. For workflows to be truly powerful, they have to be relentlessly stable. Think about it. If you spend all your time fixing a broken assembly line, you aren't actually saving time, are you? You're just trading manual data entry for a massive maintenance headache. Reliability is absolutely everything.
To achieve that kind of rock-solid reliability, we integrate databases. In n8n, connecting a database is how you give your AI agents a reliable long-term memory. It's how you manage workflow states and ensure you aren't duplicating tasks every single time a workflow runs. It basically provides a steady supply of materials and the historical context needed to keep your factory running without a single hitch.
So the crucial practice here is implementing proper error handling. Number 1, you absolutely must anticipate unexpected inputs because data will always arrive messy. That's just a fact of life. Number 2, you need to build backup routing using n8n's error trigger nodes. That way, if one pathway fails, the data has a safe detour. And number 3, automate your admin alerts. If the system does hiccup, you want to be notified immediately. These steps keep your digital assembly line humming along perfectly, even when things go wrong.
Well, look at that. We have laid the foundation, wired the engine, connected your favorite apps, unleashed the AI agents, and bulletproofed the entire system. You now have the complete blueprint for your own advanced automation setups. So the only question left to ask is this. Now that you have the blueprint, what will you automate first? Get out there, start building, and take your time back.